Well, guys, there you have it. This was the exciting project of the day. Clay made a bird feeder for me so that while I sit on the porch, I can watch the birdies. We have more bird feeder things to come out, but this one here is pretty cool because it's also a snow gauge. As you can see, there's little marks on there for snow. So we have all kinds of birds that come here. It'll probably take them a couple days to find this feeder. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm excited because I can just sit on the porch and watch them come. Hopefully they'll come. I don't know if it's too close to the traffic, but I'm pretty sure that they'll come anyway because they've been flying low and scooting past us, so I don't think that makes any difference. So let me know if you have a bird feeder, what kind of birds are coming to your feeder, any tips on bird feeding, if you have one close to the road and how they do, and just share and let me know. And I'd certainly like to learn more about bird feeding and attracting birds. So anyway, like, subscribe, and remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.